Share ko lang sa inyo guys. I was diagnosed with PCOS. That's a D. So casually diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Natipak po ang ating news. Negativity is getting closer. How to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like a necessary part. They just keep on getting much darker. Hi guys, it's May 5 today, Friday. At time check, gabi na actually, around I think past 9 PM na. And I am binge watching Maria Clara at Ibarra. I'm still on episode 1. Sobrang na-enjoy ko siya so far. Kaya pala ang daming nanonood at number 1 siya ngayon sa Netflix kasi maganda siya. Episode 1 pa lang ako. Tsaka, tignan naman kinakain ko ngayon. Apaka-abnormal kasi nagpi-PMS ako. Kasi sobra grabe yung cravings ko. Kakakain ko lang ng dinner. Ngayon nagka-crave na naman ako ng fries tsaka quesadilla. Tsaka, basta pakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo. Okay, ito. Umorder ako ng vegetable quesadilla with cheese from Cafe Malaya and fries. Tapos sinadya ko talaga. Sabi ko, gusto ko yung medyo crispy na fries. So, kaya brownish siya. And then, meron tayong garlic sauce. And ito, pangalawa ko na to guys, kinain ko na yung isa kanina. Sobrang hindi ko maintindihan yung cravings ko. Gusto kong kumain na maalat, gusto kong kumain na matamis. Ganon. Ang hirap maging babae. Share ko lang sa inyo guys. I haven't shared this yet. But I was diagnosed with PCOS, I think, nung March. Mga end of March na diagnosed ako with PCOS. Kasi parang abnormal na yung weight gain ko. So I had myself checked. I found out that I have PCOS. Kaya pala. Pero nagdududa na talaga ako. Although regular naman ako, yung sobrang na-worried lang talaga ako sa rapid weight gain ko. As in, hindi naman ako grabing kumain on regular days, pero grabe yung paglobo ko guys. So, yun. So now I'm trying to cut my rice kasi as much as possible, dapat iwasan ko na yung white rice. So flash ko dito yung ultrasound, yung TVS na ginawa sa akin. And meron din akong myoma, 4 cm. Pero sabi naman ng OB ko, normal lang daw yun sa mga babae. I think parang sinabi nga 80 to 90% of women have myoma. And hindi naman delikado yung 4 cm. And all I need to do is to have myself checked every year or mag-TVS every year para ma-monitor yung size ng myoma ko. So, right now, nasa 4 cm pa siya. Pag naging 10 cm daw siya, that's the time na kailangan na siyang kunin or operahan. So, with PCOS naman, it's not curable. Ang advice lang sa akin is healthy living, dapat mag-exercise, which is really something na nahihirapan ako kasi sobrang tamad kong mag-exercise, guys. Pero pag feel ko naman, alam mo yun, pag nasa mood ako, ginagrab ko agad yung chance na mag-workout ako. Sumasama ako kay Paco, o kaya sumasama ako sa cousin niya mag-badminton, or minsan nagbo-boxing ako. So, yun. That's a tea. I'm a girl with PCOS. Hindi para talaga siya madali, but kaya natin to. The past months kasi guys, as in lagi kong tinatry na less na yung kainin ko. Nagfa-fasting ako, pero nothing is working on me. Parang ganang feeling na parang I'm trying so hard pero I'm not losing weight talaga. Yun na yung turning point ko na I think I need to get myself checked. Oh my God. Narinig nyo ba yun? Ang dalugdog sa gawas perting kruga. But anyway, I just want to say na if you have friends who are gaining so much weight or if they are losing so much weight, please do not judge them. Please do not tell them, kumain ka naman, pet mo na, o kaya taba-taba mo naman, mag-diet ka. Because you do not know what they are going through. Sobrang hirap pag naririnig mo yung mga ganung salita, guys. So, again, let's all be kind and let's choose our words wisely. Ingat, yun lang. Papunta ako ngayon ng airport kasi ihahatid na namin si Adjion sa airport. Because because she's going to Canada. And ewan ko ba, the past days we've been so emotional kami lahat ng magbabarkada, because of course it wouldn't be the same without yon. Hindi ko na maintindihan yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Honestly, naiyak ako. It's been like my ate this whole time since theater days pa. Actually, before Cafe Malaya happened, nagplan na talaga kaming mag-Canada, including Paco. But then, ayun, dumating yung Cafe Malaya. So, nag-change of plans, but I am not closing my doors. Baka soon. Kasi gusto ko ding ma-experience habang bata pa tayo na tumira sa ibang bansa. See you later!
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do.
Carbat cake. Oh, ready for Adana.
My hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. There's each other now. Promise you won't leave my side.
Say hi sa vlog sa oy. O say feeling nga nakapapicture ka o kanang
tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
Welcome again to the vlog. Today is May 17. Ngayon ay papunta akong bangko to pay some bills, and after this is susunduin natin si Marlon because we will be going to Utopia, one of the newest cafes here in Cebu, located in somewhere in Busay. So medyo malamig doon, so kaya tayo nakaganito, and magme-makeup muna ako bago ako pumunta or pumasok ng bangko. This one, I'm currently using this active concealer from Izzy & Co. Sobrang go-to concealer ko to kasi bet na bet ko yung coverage niya. As you can see, I'm breaking out. Meron kasi ako ngayon. At mamaya pala, kasama namin si Cara at Maria. Couple sila guys, na friends namin ni Marlon. And then, after concealer, usually hindi na ako nag-foundation. This is what I'm using. Itong pressed powder ng Maybelline Fit Matte Plus Poreless Powder. Gamit na gamit guys, so. Ganyan lang. The brushes that I'm using actually are from Lovely Cosmetics. I super love their makeup brushes, guys. I think 14 or 16 pieces yung set. At sobrang favorite ko to kasi sobrang lambot. Pak, fresh lang. Tapos, ito yung blush na ginagamit ko. This is still from Izzy & Co. In the shade Bang. Yung shade niya, ayan guys. Super love this. Lakas maka-fresh lang ng kulay. little bit on the chin and on my nose. Drunk blush yarn. And then, of course, another favorite lip tint from Lovely Cosmetics. Hindi to sponsored ng Lovely Cosmetics, guys. Talagang super love ko lang talaga yung kanilang products. There. Let's go to the bank and pay some bills. Okay, tapos na ako sa bank. So, I'm on my way to pick up Marlon. Tagal ah. Ayun na pala. Wala pala siya sa loob ng sasakyan. Ayun. Pek shorts, yarn. Hindi kilala sa sasakyan. Ay, oo. Kasi pick up ni Papa yung dala ko.
Okay, let's do it. Hi.
Ba't ka naka-pek-pek, Day?
Sorry. Wala, hindi ako ready eh. Camera. Andito na kami sa Utopia at inaantay lang namin si Cara and Maria, but they're on their way. Langging. Giduka ko. Inaantok nga ako. Kailangan ko ng coffee. 2 PM pa sila mag-open. Time check ano pa kasi ngayon. 1:42. So, less than 20 minutes na lang mag-open na sila. Ganyan kami kaaga, guys. Hindi kami never kaming nalalay.
Ikaw? Sure ka?
Ay, nauna ako sa inyo ah.
Ulo. Hey guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa Blush Beauty Institute to have my nails done kasi as you can see, sobrang tsaka na. And I also do exi lift dito sa mukha ko para lang maging firm siya and slimmer siya. Tignan. Tsaka hindi pala ako makapag-smile ng maayos kasi tignan niyo yung teeth ko. Huwag kayong tatawa. And tipak po ang ating veneers kasi kumain ako ng chicharon. So, sobrang takaw na tipak po. Di bali na, yun talaga yung goal ko. Mapalitan na to ng parang porcelain na veneers para mas matibay siya. Pero, yun nga lang, medyo may kamahalan. So, kailangan nating mag-ipon. Wala pa sa budget ngayon. Pero, pag-iipunan natin yan. Papaschedule pa ako ulit kay Doc J.An para maayos yung veneers ko dito. Dito pa talaga sa harapan. Si Ate Cristel. Say hi, Ate. Hi!
Okay guys, tapos na ako sa Van Gales Perfect Union. Nakapag-alter na ako sa gown na gagamitin ko sa kasal ng aking friend na si Bea on Sunday. So tapos na yun, pipick upin ko na lang bukas kasi pina-alter pa, pinansikipan. And then, good news! Nag-chat sa akin yung Nadela. Pwede nila akong ma-insert sa schedule nila today. Kasi sabi ko kay Doc, Doki, sobrang bad time ng pagkatipak ng etong veneers ko. Kasi may shoot pa naman akong content bukas with a brand. Hindi tayo confident sis. So ayan, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Nadela. Di ba pinalitan yung veneers ko mga February ba yun? Or January? Ano siya, dugo ng dugo tong ngipin na to. Kasi parang nagse-separation anxiety siya sa gums ko. Yung old na veneers. So, dugo ng dugo to. Mga 2 hours ata nila Phoenix. Hanggang sa ma-attach nila or makabit nila yung bagong veneer. So, 2 oras. Tapos, sabi ni Doki, finally, na-coat na natin ang veneers, yung ngipin na tong dugo ng dugo. Pero mag-expect na lang tayo na anytime baka matipak siya. So, eto na nga, nangyari na nga. Eto na nga yung araw na yun. Sobrang bad timing. But anyway, thank you so much, Nadela, for finding a way para ma-insert ako sa inyong super busy schedule. At sana hindi na magdugo ng sobra-sobra tong ngipin na to. Hindi tayo magka-problema para mabilis lang matapos. So, again, thank you, Nadela fam! Let's go! Hi guys! Today is May 20 of Moatmig Island hopping to celebrate
Kuya Ren's birthday.
Yay!
Karong grammar na mo adto kag island hopping.
Bitaw mo adto mi Mag
Island hopping me. Ay gi-correctionan tanin na ipaking. Sorry guys, ipaking. Let's go. Happy birthday, Bubsky!
Hello! Happy birthday to
Consistent
me.
akong vlogs every time mag-birthday ka.
Of course.
Ah? May gwapo babe. Parang tapo. So mag-island hopping kami guys, pero may nagsasapatos po dito. Opo.
Gusto mong chanilasin kita? Chanilasin. Do you want me to channel you?
Ah?
Wala.
Bye.
We are heading home. So hindi ako naligo, pero ang ending, basa pa din ang aking shorts. Kasi we have to walk until doon sa Murag Pantalan kasi hunas. Hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog ng hunas, guys. So ayan sila sa likod. Sana ligo na lang ako.